everyone, welcome back. If you want to change currency in Snowball Analytics, how can you change? So I will explain clearly today. So go ahead to your Safaris and try to search the snowball.com here. Okay, so and then go ahead. So if you haven't signed in your account, you need to sign in. So you need to log in your account first, and this is your home screen. And then search, look at your top bars, and you can see USD, right? So if you want to change, there's a larger currency. You can choose USDs or euros or pounds or whatever you can choose. There's a larger currency. So if you want to change to time bet, just click time bets and also your portfolio data will be shown in time bet. So it's quite easy. Just need to go ahead to your snowball.com and try to search at the top of your screen beside your My Network, and you will be able to see currency. So just change the currency that you want to get. So that's how to change currency in Snowball Analytics. I hope this will help you a lot, and thank you so much. See you, bye guys.